Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing video on a set of rear swing arm chain adjusters. This is the anodized red. It's for the 2009 to 2014 R1. So I'm gonna open them and check them out. Got them from China. Pay about $57, free shipping and handling. Took roughly like 15 days to get here. So basically I'm not in a rush to get the parts for the bike because I'm slowly building the bike up. So this is the back of the packages. It's just a simple bag. So this is the bag, and then this is the adjusters. I'm gonna open them. Basically these bolts are for something. Got two of these. Got some random pieces. I think for the, so you can put these ones on like the swing arm spools. So you can put a rear stand on it. And basically this is the chain adjuster. I think it's a nice look to the bike, especially if you're looking for something to pop out. This is the red anodized with black. And as you can see, it's not bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. So but it's cheap. That's that one. The other one does come with the measuring numbers on it, so you can adjust it to the right number. This is the other little piece. This is for the swing arm spool. Washer. And these little washers I think are for the spools. Comes with the instructions, so you can see. This basically shows you how everything works. And yep, that's one. And this is the other one with the photo on it, so you have a better idea on how to install them on the bike. So it says there's the installation instructions, so you can see. Number 4, number 5, flip the page. Number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So yeah, basically it has everything, so you don't get confused. I think it's an easy installation. I'm gonna try and install them later on. Probably do a video of it. But yeah, if you guys want to try this little precious things to make your bike look good, I suggest you do it. They're cheap, and I think it will add a nice touch to the bike. And then, I mean, you can get compliments. So that's the thing. That's the way to go. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video and do some other unboxing videos and some other stuff that I got for some bikes that I'm working on. See you later.